Tommy. Hey, look, bro, you done threw it. That's just nasty as fuck, man. Look at that. Look up close. I ain't touching it. Look.
Oh, fuck.
I dropped in that shit.
No, it didn't.
Tommy, look, he's fucked up. Look, you can't have none of this, man. You can't have none of that. You gonna wake up in the morning like, oh, where's my fucking beer at? Ah, where's my beer? Where's my beer? Oh, well, I drunk it. I drunk it all. Well, it tasted real good. Hey, it tasted real good, Tommy. Hey, dog, look, you can't spill no beer, dog. No, that's against the fucking rules. No.
Dude, we did a thumbs up to you, man.
A thumb. Look, give me a thumbs up if you think I'm winning right now. Hey, I'm fucking winning. Look at my look. I got them Dylan over here. Look, bring it. Look, hey, turn that sun kissed up. Turn that little pussy ass sun kissed up. Look, you want to drink a beer? Drink it. Get a drink of my beer right now.
I can't, dude.
Don't. You gonna throw up?
No, I need to stay back here for like
Are you
10 more
sick?
minutes. No,
Man, you've been riding in the back of my truck for 2 fucking hours.
There's no way. There's no way I've been in the back of your truck.
I swear you've been in the back of my truck for 2 hours.
You need to pull up to like a gas station.
It's 3:30, bro.
Yeah, bro, we left Josh's like 12, so you've been in my truck for 3
Are you
hours.
serious?
Yeah.
It's
Fuck
3:30, man.
Bro, I had 60 beers when I left Josh's. I ain't got but 17 left.
There's no way.
I swear to
There's
God.
no fucking,
I done
really?
drunk like 30 beers.
There is no way, really?
Yes, bro.
We need to
Been
go.
riding around
We need to
forever.
go to like a gas station. I'll clean up.
Man, get out, bro. Get out my truck. Get up.
There's a fucking like forest over there.
No, dude, that's a haunted house, bro.
I could die in like your truck apparently.
So what did you eat today, Tommy?
I have no fucking idea. I'll wash your back of your truck, dude.
Do you eat Subway?
Maybe.
Damn, Josh done feeding him Subway.
Josh fed me earlier. I have no idea.
What'd he feed you?
I have no idea. Just drive to the gas station, dude. I'll clean up.
Hey, Dylan, where's the nearest gas station?
Fuck, dude.
Kelly's Corner, probably.
Yeah.
This is over, dude. Just drive to the nearest gas station. Somewhere near there. So
Give me a funny face.
Yeah. That's the best I got.
Give me a mad face.
I can't even muster that.
No, mad
There's
face,
no-
bro. I ain't leaving till you give me a mad face.
Girl.